Welcome, I'm David Ricks. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga and the principal of the Inland Empire Law Group. I recently had a trial where a lady who had been injured in a car accident had gone to the hospital after the accident, but in the report by the doctor, she failed to address all the injuries that she had suffered at that time. Now, this was a real problem for us when we went to trial because the defense used that information, or I should say the lack of information about the reported injury, to use it against her so that she was unable to recover as much as she could have had she fully reported her injuries. So this is what I want to talk about, and that is reporting your injuries and documenting your injuries. What do I mean by this? If you are involved in an accident and have suffered injuries, and you go to see the doctor either at an emergency room or your primary care physician or a chiropractor or somebody like that, you want to make sure that you identify all the injuries that you suffered. Basically go from head to toe and identify every part of your body that is sore or injured or a broken bone or whatever the case may be, but you need to make sure that you relate all the information. Now, sometimes what happens is that we don't feel a particular area of our body being hurt. Maybe it's because some other area of the body has a greater amount of pain, so it kind of masks the injury from another part. But as that changes, as you start to feel that, you need to make sure you identify that information to your medical provider. Those medical records become very important if you have to take the case to trial. Certainly they become important as we're negotiating a settlement to try to get the maximum recovery. But if those injuries are not reported and you bring them up later on, maybe in a deposition or at trial, then the person looking at you or evaluating you and your claim may discount that information because you failed to report the information to the medical provider. So, a word of warning. Make sure, number one, you document your injuries. Write them down yourself. Make sure you report them to every medical doctor that you're treating with for your injuries from the accident. That way they'll be in the records, and when the case is presented either to an insurance company or to a jury, we'll be able to see those documented injuries and have a better chance of getting the maximum recovery for you. Again, I'm David Ricks. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga, and I'm here to assist those who've been injured in an accident. Look forward to hearing from you.